Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday, January 2nd. I rode a little while yesterday, but it wasn't sunny like this. It was still cloudy from the rain we had for the last couple days. Had a cold front come in. I think I rode, I don't know if it was before or after Christmas. Probably after Christmas, too. It was like in 75 degrees. But I think the other day that the high got to 37. And yesterday got to 48. Today is supposed to get a little warmer. It's supposed to get up in the 60s. So I took off and went for a ride. I'm still off for the holidays, so I worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which was really our holiday shutdown, but I worked like 4 or 5 hours a day. I don't know why I always do that. I guess it worked out okay. I get caught up and people are still uploading games, so I had to get them done. But it's a nice day. I got my really light rain pants on just because it's supposed to warm up. I got this light jacket that's really warm on. Oh, speed limit went back up. Got a trap back there. It's 50 degrees and nobody pays attention to it. You should always have some cops there to get those people, because they're doing 65 in a 50 or 70 in a 50. But I changed my oil in this over the holiday, and I recorded it, but I had the headband with this GoPro on it, because this GoPro has the media mod, so even the sound was great, the audio was great even with it just on my head, but I didn't have it downward facing enough, so you didn't really see everything I was doing and everything I did. It wasn't underneath it was okay, but I just wasn't happy with it. I guess I just have to hold it and lay it down and do it that way instead of wearing it on my head. It didn't work, but I didn't use it. I'll have to wait and change the oil again another 5,000 miles. Try and do it then. I don't know where I'm going. I'm probably not going to go too far. Bye. Now, one thing I did yesterday too, I had this GoPro on, and I didn't realize it defaulted to photo, so every time I press it I was only taking a photo, so I didn't have my January 1, 2021 ride, but I'll do it January 2, 2021. It's still a little chilly, but it's not bad. It's doable. I got my hand grips, the heater grips on, because I got these thinner leather gloves on, and they're pretty thin.